Where does the name for Rhuthun come from? So today I'm in Rhuthun, a historical town in Denbighshire, up the Vale of Clwyd. Let's get into the name. Now, I've heard two theories for the name for Rhuthun. I'll start with the first one, which I think is the most likely, and that's that it's made of the word rhydd, which is an old word for rad, and hyn, which means a border or a boundary or an edge. The other theory I've heard is that it's rhydd, rad, and din, like a fortress, like part of the word dinas we have now in Welsh. But I think that's a lot less likely because rhydd din together would make the town name Rhuthun and not Rhuthun. The original name for the town was Castell Coch yn Wern Fawr, which meant something like the Red Castle in the Sea Swamp. The original castle, the ruins of which are behind me here, was built in 1277 by Dafydd ap Gruffudd, and it played a big part in the Wars of the Roses as well after the conquest, but unfortunately was destroyed mostly during the English Civil War. Now Rhuthun actually plays a really important role in Welsh history as well, because it's kind of where Owain Glyndwr's rebellion started as he burnt down the court in the middle of the town. Now, another thing that Rhuthun is famous for is its jail, which is behind me here. It was built in the 18th century and operated as a jail until 1916, but now it's a museum. So the name literally means the Red Edge, or less likely, the Red Fortress. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe. And if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well, you can on my Patreon. The link is in my description. Diolch, have a good one.